Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Subaru Legacy hood. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side near the kick panel. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click as the primary latch disengages. Then, move to the front of your vehicle to continue. Once at the front, feel along the center edge of the hood just above the grille. You'll find a small safety latch. Depending on your model, you'll either push it to the side or pull it up. This releases the secondary mechanism, allowing you to lift the hood completely and safely. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, just like a reliable Subaru, you deserve comfort that lasts. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Sometimes the hood might not pop open easily. This could be due to a stretched or broken release cable or a sticky latch. Regular lubrication of both the primary and secondary latches can prevent these common problems. Always double-check that your hood is fully latched and secure before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.